Hi, friends. It's Mrs. Jared back from East Washington Academy. And today I'm sharing one of my all-time favorite books, Tacky the Penguin. Now, most of us have been talking lately about heroes. We think of a hero, we think of a doctor, we think of a nurse, we might think of a fireman or even a police officer. Well, today in our adventures with Tacky the Penguin, you're going to find that an unusual person ends up being a hero. As you read the story, you're looking for character traits. That means how a character acts in the book. So it says, I want specific traits about Tacky. So as you're reading the book or rereading the book, if you're lucky enough to have read it before, you're looking for how Tacky acts or interacts with Goodly, Lovely, Angel, Neatly, and Perfect. As you're doing this, think about who you act more like. Are you more like Tacky? Or are you more like the other penguins? All right, friends, it is time to read and look for traits, and I'll be back soon. Have a good one.